Hello, my name is Hannah Sassa. I am a PhD student in Curriculum Studies in the College of Education. I serve as a peer ombudsman for the graduate school. The Office of the Ombudsman is a confidential, informal and neutral outlet for graduate students to express their problems and concerns. Examples of concerns that have been brought by students include relationships with major professors, conditions associated with graduate staff appointments, and academic and funding difficulties. However, I can help you with any issues related to your graduate education. My job is to listen, provide information, offer options, seek explanations, make referrals, and advise graduate students regarding rights and responsibilities, and so on. The services of the Peer Ombudsman Office are free and available to all incoming and existing graduate students at Purdue University. I work with other graduate student ombudsmen and Dean Atkinson in the graduate school. We have all been carefully selected and trained to help you. We ultimately want you to be happy, healthy, and successful in graduate school. We are here to listen and provide information in a safe environment in order to help you address your concerns and improve your graduate experience. To schedule an appointment with a peer ombudsman, email peerombuds@purdue.edu or visit our website.